Hi children, how are you? I hope all of you are keeping well. Today we are going to study the subject science. Lesson number 1 is living and non-living things. Let us first look at the introduction. Everything around us can be divided into two groups. They are living and non-living things. Living things, for example, animals and plants. Non-living things, examples of which are book, pencil, bag, clothes, mountains, etc. We are going to do an activity that is given on page 5 of your book. This activity you have to do it yourself. In this picture, you have to circle all the living things and draw a box around all the non-living things. इस एक्टिविटी में दिए गए पिक्चर पर सारे लिविंग थिंग्स पर आप गोला बनाएंगे और सारे नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स पर बच्चों आप एक बॉक्स बनाएंगे। ये काम आपको अपने से अपनी बुक में करना है। Let us look at the characteristics of living things. The first characteristic of a living thing is living things breathe. Look at this picture. That boy is breathing. वो जो बालक है वो सांस ले रहा है। So कोई भी लिविंग थिंग्स ब्रीथ करता है यानी कि सांस लेता है। लिविंग थिंग्स मूव ऑन देयर ओन। Look at this picture. We have a rabbit that is running at the top of his speed. इस पिक्चर में हम एक खरगोश को बड़ी तेजी के साथ दौड़ता हुआ देखते हैं। तो लिविंग थिंग्स क्या करते हैं? मूव करते हैं। तीसरी बात, लिविंग थिंग्स फील। लुक एट दिस पिक्चर। दिस डॉग इज सैड because something has pierced into his toe. इस पिक्चर में हम इस कुत्ते को या इस पपी को उदास देखते हैं क्योंकि उसके पैरों पर कुछ चुभ गया है। तो लिविंग थिंग्स को क्या होता है? महसूस होता है। लिविंग थिंग्स फील। The fourth thing is living things grow. Look at this plant. It is growing out of the seed. इस पौधे को जब हम देखते हैं तो वो बीज के अंदर से निकला हुआ पौधा है। So this plant will subsequently grow and become a big tree. So living things grow. Then we have living things reproduce. Look at this picture. This picture is of a cat with 2 kittens around it. इस बिल्ली के 2 बच्चे हैं। तो लिविंग थिंग्स की एक खासियत यह है कि वो बच्चे देते हैं। लिविंग थिंग्स reproduce. The last thing is living things need air, water and food to grow. Air, water and food to grow. In this picture we see a bird feeding its young ones in the nest. इस पिक्चर में हम एक पक्षी को अपने चूजों को भोजन खिलाता हुआ देखते हैं। तो लिविंग थिंग्स को क्या चाहिए? हवा चाहिए, पानी चाहिए और भोजन चाहिए ताकि वो बढ़ सके। So living things need air, water and food to grow. Let us look at some non-living things. Non-living things cannot eat, breathe, feel और grow. वो सारी खूबियां, वो सारी खासियत जो लिविंग थिंग्स में है, वो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स में नहीं है. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स भोजन नहीं करते, सांस नहीं लेते, उनको महसूस नहीं होता और ना ही वो बढ़ते हैं. So the living things cannot eat, breathe, feel or grow. Non-living things can be divided into two groups. The first one is natural things. Look at this picture. Water and stones. And then we have the moon and the stars. And then we have the mountains and the clouds. All these are non-living things, but they are natural things. The second group is man-made things. Look at this picture. This is a picture of a cupboard. This is something that man has made for his own use. It is a non-living thing, but it is not a natural thing. It is a man-made thing. ये एक non-living thing है, लेकिन natural thing नहीं है. ये man-made thing है. एक और पिक्चर हम लोग देखते हैं. Look at this car. This car was made by human beings. It is not a natural thing. It is a non-living thing, but it is not a natural thing. It is a man-made thing. So non-living things can be divided into two groups. Non-living things दो भागों में हम इसे बांट कर पढ़ सकते हैं, सीख सकते हैं. The first thing is natural things, and the second one is man-made things. Natural things में हमने देखा water and stone, moon and stars, mountain and clouds. इसे इंसान ने नहीं बनाया, ये नेचुरली एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. लेकिन मैन मेड थिंग्स लाइक कबर्ड, कार, इसे इंसान ने बनाया. मैन मेड दिस थिंग्स, सो दीज आर कॉल्ड मैन मेड थिंग्स, बट बोथ ऑफ देम आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. सो लेट अस लुक एट सम पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर. कुछ बातें जो हमने इस पाठ में पढ़ा है, उसको हम थोड़ा स्मरण करने की कोशिश करेंगे. People, plants and animals are living things. लोग, पौधे, झाड़, पेड़ इत्यादि और जानवर, ये सब living things है. Living things, they grow, move and breathe. तो living things की खासियत क्या है? वो grow करते हैं, वो move करते हैं और वो सांस लेते हैं, ब्रीथ करते हैं. लिविंग थिंग्स ईट फूड. लिविंग थिंग्स जो है वो भोजन करते हैं. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स आर नेचुरल और मैन मेड थिंग्स. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स को हमने दो भाग में बांट कर देखा. नेचुरल थिंग्स जिसे इंसान ने नहीं बनाया, और मैन मेड थिंग्स जिसे इंसानों ने बनाया. Let us look at tick the correct answers. The first one is, which one is a living things? Look at this car. Is it a living thing? I don't think so. This boat. Is this boat a living thing? I don't think so. Here we see a cat. Yes, this cat is a living thing. So the option is cat, the living thing. Which one can grow on its own? Let us look at some pictures. A computer, can it grow on its own? I don't think so. An elephant, does it grow on its own? Yes, it grows on its own. That should be the option. Let us look at the last option. Oh, these are books. Does the books grow on their own? I don't think so. So the correct option is elephant. It grows on its own. Let us look at true and false statements. You have to write T for true and F for false statements. The first one, plants are non-living things. Are they? I don't think so. So the option is F. It is false. Second one, living things need air, water and food. That is true. Living things need air, water and food. The third one is, a chair does not grow on its own. Does a chair grow on its own? I don't think so. The chair does not grow on its own. The statement is true. Stars are living things. False. Stars are not living things. A car is a man-made thing. It is a man-made thing. So the option is true. Now children, let us look at the question and answers. The first question is, name any 4 living things. Answer is, any 4 living things are boy, dog, rabbit and a cat. Simple. Any 4 living things are a boy, dog, rabbit and a cat. Write any 3 characteristics of living things. Living things breathe, they move and they grow. These are the 3 main characteristics of living things. Living things breathe, they move and they grow. What type of things are the tables and chairs in your classroom? The tables and chairs in our classrooms are non-living things. The tables and chairs in our classroom are non-living things. Write the 2 groups of non-living things. The 2 groups of non-living things are natural things. For example, mountains, clouds, etc. And then man-made things. For example, cupboard, car, etc. So that's all children. Now let us look at the homework. Write the true or false and question answers in your notebook neatly. आपके notebooks में true or false और question and answers बड़ी सफाई के साथ में आप लिखेंगे. Learn and memorize the question and answers. सारे question और answers को आप अच्छे से याद करेंगे और उसे सीखेंगे. For better understanding, if possible, watch the YouTube video on living and non-living things in the link which is given below. Okay children, I hope you will stay safe. So goodbye.